Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. You found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Where could she be? You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Where could she be? Try the garden. You found her. Polly, where are you? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Where could she be? Try the bedroom. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Is she hiding in the lounge? Where could she be? You found her.
Joy Bucket.